thing I like most about studying at Murdoch is the professionalism of the courses. All the lectures and tutorials are very engaging, they're very hands-on, and they're respected throughout the industry as well.
I heard good comments about Murdoch from my friends personally, and also it is price competitive. The outdoor experience here at Murdoch, I love the university. I love how Murdoch is so diverse, full of different people, full of people from different cultures.
It has a lot of unique courses, and the teachers here are so approachable.
They encourage me to open up my mind about critical thinking, how I see my data and so on.
There's a lot of people that's ready to help, and it also offers a lot of advantages to the international students as well. If you are willing to do it, Murdoch is really a good choice for you.